The fruit slicer is part of the Vollrath manual food processing equipment series. This unit comes complete and ready to assemble. The Allen wrench, which is needed to mount the legs, is included along with 2 spare legs and a brush for cleaning. A manual is included with all the information needed to maintain and use this unit. Remove the Allen wrench from the bag. Flip the machine over. Remove the screws to mount the legs. Mount the legs using the screws. Tighten them with the Allen wrench. Make sure that the screws are secure. The unit is now ready to use. Never place this unit into a dishwasher. Always hand wash using the brush provided.